Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your development environment for a smooth update process. Ensure your system has at least 8 GB RAM and 10 GB free disk space before starting. Close unrelated apps to free memory and CPU resources for installation. Back up your IDE settings now using File, Manage IDE Settings, and Export Settings to a zip file. Note your current Android Studio version and any critical plugin versions so you can restore compatibility later. Download installers only from the official site to avoid corrupted packages or malware. Next, update the Android Studio IDE and core SDK components together. Use Help, check for updates to fetch the latest Android Studio installer, and follow the on-screen wizard. Then open Tools and SDK Manager to update SDK tools, platform tools, and Android 33 SDK packages as needed. Update installed Android SDK platforms and system images for emulators to maintain compatibility. Allow 30 to 60 minutes for downloads depending on connection speed and expect about 1 GB total for common packs. After updating, verify that the IDE and projects function correctly before resuming work. Open a representative project and perform a Gradle sync to confirm dependencies resolve without errors. If Gradle fails, update the Gradle wrapper to the recommended version and then sync again. If indexing or UI glitches occur, run File, invalidate caches, and restart to clear stale state. If a plugin breaks, disable or reinstall that plugin and then restart. Finally, run an emulator and a debug build to confirm runtime behavior remains stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.